Hello, welcome to the Insight Labs Looker Studio tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how to format dates in Looker Studio. In the previous video, we have generated random date and time, random conversion counts and conversion values in Google Sheets. Now, I connected it to Looker Studio to show you how can we manipulate the date formats in Looker Studio. The reason why is that your data can be messy and you might be reading data from multiple sources, and the datetime format might not be the one that you want this thing to appear to be. Or let's say that you are working in an organization that are receiving data from multiple sources, locations in the world. So for example, look at this example. This is a Wikipedia page. I embedded it. You can do that too. It's pretty easy. By the way, since we're talking about it, you can just come over here, click URL embed, and then draw your line, and then it will ask you the URL. Once you put it, you will start seeing the page in your dashboard. Let's turn to our discussion point. So the color code shows how the world formats their date. For example, the blue, Europe, Southern America, lots of Asia countries uses this day, month, year format. US, on the other hand, mostly uses month, day, year. And in Asia, they're using year, month, day formats as well. To use those datetime formats, you can use these custom formats to manipulate your data. It's not only that. Let's say I will show you how to do that in a second, but you may want to go even further and generate weekday, month, day only, or hour, or you may want to create your custom formats as well. But now let's talk about the how can we replicate the Europe, US, and Asia datetime formats. To do that, we can come over here and either add this dimension as a dimension to the table or add a field to our data source. I'll use dimension as a table, but if you add it to the data source, you can use it over and over again. Maybe it makes more sense. Let's use it that way. Let's call it Europe, EU dates. Okay. Format datetime. It takes an argument of this format, which is %d, and then %m, and then %y. Okay, and the second argument is conversion datetime, which was in my data source. Let's save it, and let's click done. Now I can edit here, and our data will be represented here in a minute. Let's turn off the drill down functionality to see that. So you see, it's the day in the beginning, followed by by month, and then followed by year. I can do the same for US and Asia really quickly. Let's do it. US date. Format datetime. Take the argument. This is a very easy argument. %sign and X. Then let's take the other argument, which was a conversion datetime, and then save. Okay, and let's edit US date. So day and month shifted. We can see the month up front and the date as the second variable. Let's do the same for Asia. Asia date. Oops. It's again an easy formatting. Capital F, and then conversion datetime. Save and edit. So at a glance, we can see all these three including the original conversion date time together. Right. So what else we can do? Let's add the weekday. So because it doesn't tell us what day it was, but rather the whole date. I can add, let's say, the week date here. Add calculated field, weekday. And I can use the same format, datetime function, which is again takes a short argument as the format and the second argument as the date. Let's edit. All right, we see it. So Sunday, Wednesday, we started seeing it. And let's say that we want to have a custom format. Let me copy it because I want to have like commas and dashes and some spaces in between. We can do so. Let's edit here as well. Custom format. And then see, I edit some spaces here, there, here, comma here, hyphens there. You can use anything you want. And let's add conversion date time again. Save it. Let's custom format here too. See? May, November, April. We can manipulate it however we wish. And then we can analyze it, of course. Let's say that I added this weekday to the top. We can drill down from any day to weekday to see that how many conversions happened in a given day or what was the conversion value. I can also come over here and add a calculated field there too. Let's say that average conversion value. And I will do that by conversion value divided by conversion count. And let's apply. Let's use average for this. Let's assume that these are dollar values, so I can use it as well. Currency dollar. See? You can easily find out that what was the conversion values, what was the average conversion values for a given day, so we can compare them. All right, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please like it. If you want to learn more about Looker Studio, Google Sheets, Google Analytics, consider subscribing to my channel, and see you in the next video.